Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's Cold Blooded. I'm on vacation currently, and I stopped by my local Walmart here and grabbed a few blister packs for a small opening and a channel announcement. So, first, I want to say thank you for everyone who subscribed and has watched. Can't thank you enough. The first thing I want to say is that I had to change the name of the channel from Cold Blooded Gaming to Cold Blooded TCG. There was a whole bunch of channels for Cold Blooded Gaming, so this right here now makes it a lot easier to find me on YouTube. And then product openings. I collect Pokemon, so all the product opening I'm gonna have for Pokemon is going to be just for that. Yu-Gi-Oh is going to be product opening plus deck profiles. And I think that's really all I got. So let's just go ahead and get this video started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will give away the code card inside the pack. Get this open. Alright. Your code card. Alright. Real quick and to the point. Alright, so in Samurott and Registeel. I also have links in the comment. I'll have links in the description below to my Instagram, so you can check out everything there as well. Sand Overquill and Cleaver. And then last pack. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All your support is greatly appreciated. Code card for you guys. Awesome. Alright. Passed it on, and another Hisuian Overquill. Awesome. Well, guys, I appreciate it. Just wanted to do a quick little opening and a channel announcement. Thanks for stopping by.